everyone, welcome to Ella's Kitchen. Today we're going to make salmon with mango steamed veggies along with a coconut rice. The story of this dish, it was my first dish my husband made for me. Coming from a different country, I was never exposed to food being prepared this way, and it tasted great, really good. This encouraged me to try to make my own version of it, and it has a Thai influence of flavor. Let's get started. Alright, let's go ahead and make a rice. Put water in it first. Just want to put small water in the rice. I'll put our coconut milk. Stir it. Put like 1 teaspoon of the turmeric. And stir it. Go. Alright. Let's go ahead and measure it. So again, it's our first line here in our index. Okay, perfect, and good to go. Let's cook it. Right, here's all our ingredients. Broccoli, bell pepper, onions, corn, carrots, mango, tomato, green onions, and jalapeno. This one, you pretty much steam it. You gotta steam these vegetables. Mango and this tomato, green onions, and jalapeno, you don't need to do it. And of course, our fish sauce, lime, sugar. This is gonna be our dressing when we steam the vegetables. Our salmon. And our toasted coconut, this is what we're gonna drizzle at the end.